Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're having a long overdue look at Hitbits, and I've got some payment proof for you as well, so keep watching. Hi and welcome to another video. So it's been a month since the last time we did a video on Hitbits, and I just thought it was around about time that we just dropped in just to see how my account has changed and sort of anything else, as well as the payment proofs that I am bringing to you. Okay, so like I say, about a month ago we were in here, and at that time we had 128 mercenaries, and we were earning about 324 credits per hour. As you can see, I have been a little bit slack with my sort of building of the account, and as you know, that after 30 days, because that's what I pick, is the 30-day mercenaries, I do lose however many I have hired at any one time. So basically, because I've not been in here, really I have sort of gone down a bit, which is obviously disappointing. But as you can see here, I am actually close to yet another withdrawal. In the last video I showed a payment proof that I'd done a withdrawal for 110,000 credits, and as you can see here, I'm at 86,000, and that's basically because after that video I decided that I would not withdraw until I reached 100,000 credits or more every time. But you will be surprised that even though my account has not really grown, it's been difficult. It's been a busy couple of weeks. I have sort of been doing stuff with Hitbits, just not spending anywhere near the amount of time that I really wanted to, and that's why my account has declined. But like I say, I'm still 86,000 credits, which is nearly another withdrawal. Also as well, I have sort of been hunting around in here and seeing, looking into the battles and stuff like that, and basically I did discover, and I actually didn't even know this, that basically as you sort of go through and build up your levels and sort of participate in stuff, you do get these points that you can add and build up your strength. So your default strength when you come in, or your default health, is that, no, that's, so it's your default energy there, that is 10. As you can see now, it's now at 44, and my health is now at 150, and that is simply because I happened to stumble onto this page, and I had all these points that I could use. So as you can see there, we have 1 point for each of these things. So I'm just banging it all on energies, because that means the more energy you have, the more sort of hits on the monsters you can do, if that's something you want to do, and obviously the more damage you can inflict on those monsters during the battles will put you on to this leaderboard, and you will then earn tokens, which obviously is what we use to buy mercenaries. You will earn tokens from also from doing the battles. Admittedly, I was never really a massive fan of the battles, and I still don't really participate in them very often, but having found that page and being able to bump up my energy and bump up my health and all that kind of stuff, it does mean that I'm inflicting a lot more damage onto these monsters, and therefore I am sort of qualifying for tokens from the raids, whereas before I wasn't, because I just got a bit fed up with it. So that's one of the reasons why I left it, and obviously it's always, like I say, it is time as well. And if this is your first time seeing Hitbits, and you want to get involved into another sort of virtual mining game which will earn you Bitcoin, which you can withdraw to your external wallet, this might be a bit of fun for you. It's based in a fantasy world, set up sort of like a role-playing game, and what I'm going to do is I will put a link in the description to an earlier video which tells you the very basics, so like the minimum you need to be doing to earn coins from this program. Obviously, if you want to investigate some of the other aspects of this program, because there is quite a few things that you can get involved with, then you are more than welcome to. But that video will give you the bare minimum, so it will give you sort of like get you up and running and show you how to quickly earn coins from this program. Like I say, I'll put the link in the description, and if you go right the way through to the end of this video, that link will also be there, and you can click straight on it and get watching. So I quickly paused the video and I had a bit of a quick blast through the raids of the Forest King. I used up all the potions that I had in my little satchel that I've accumulated over time, and I was just curious to see how quickly I could build up my account. So at the beginning of the video we were at level 23, and you can see there I am now at level 31. And also as well, if we dive into here, the defense area which I showed you, you will see that my strength, defense, dexterity and even my energy have all been bumped up quite considerably. So obviously if that is something that does interest you, maybe it makes the program a little bit more interesting. Also is an opportunity for you to earn tokens for you to then purchase more mercenaries, which then earns you more credits. But like I say, this is something that, you know, I don't really use. I just thought I'd have a bit of a play just to see how quickly I could build up my account, like I say, build up my levels. And like I say, I mean, all you do is you just come into the battle and you just hit that. I mean, obviously if my strength was obviously a lot higher, we'd get a lot more hits, but because I have bumped up my strength, that's so the two things you really want to be bumping up is well, three. I actually banged up my health right up to 150. That doesn't even seem to get phased at all against the Forest King. My energy is now at 54, but also as well you need to push up the strength, because obviously that means that every blow you make creates a larger amount of damage. So a couple of tips there for you. So if we just hit 5, you can see that even only with a 5 health we are causing 1,300 worth of damage, and on a single one 262 worth of damage, and gaining our experience. And every time you roll over into a new level, you will get points that you can go into your shield and build up your levels, and you'll also get a complete full new energy every time you roll over into a new level. So obviously if you're very near to the end of a level, you do a decisive blow which then takes you to the next level, your energy will be automatically refilled for you to carry on fighting. And as you can see at the current, obviously this battle has only just started, but you can see we are here on the front page with 3,000, nearly 4,000 damage, just purely from boosting up those energy, those different energy levels. So your strength, your dexterity, your defense, all those kind of things will, you know, if you do that, that could well get you onto this front page and get you earning tokens. So what we're going to do now is we're going to quickly go over and check out those payment proofs I have for you. So let's take a look. Okay, so like I said, the last time we were in here was a month ago, and this was the payment proof I did in the last video. So since then we've had a withdrawal for 113 tokens for 113,000 tokens, 100,000 tokens, and 101,000 tokens. So if you look at the top of the screen, you will see that the withdrawal that we basically got 11,993 Bitcoin. We withdrew it on the 21st of the 6th, and it actually landed in our wallet on the same day, which is absolutely excellent. And then with the next one, we got 10,845, and it landed. So we withdrew that on the 28th. That also landed in our wallet on the same day as well. And then the third and final withdrawal, we earned 10,870, and that was withdrawn on the 12th of the 7th, and that also landed in our wallet on the same day. So like I say, you know, I mean, clearly this program is still working very well. It is producing for me regular withdrawals, and as I pointed out, we are nearly at another withdrawal. So I mean, that's like, what's that? That's like 40. Yeah, it's like be nearly 50,000 in just over a month for not really doing a whole lot. I mean, like I say, I'll do a few surveys from the offer wall, and then I'll just go into mercenaries, purchase however many I can, and then just keep that rolling over. And like I say, it has dropped down a bit, but hopefully in the future I will have a bit more time to be working on this and get that back up to a better level for the next video. Okay, so if you are interested in that earlier video, it's probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you can smash that like button, that really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I will speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.